This is my onions, fresh tomato, green pepper, garlic, fresh curly leaf, the one we have in our plate, and this is my egg. As you come, you are blessed in Jesus' name. You are welcome. And we are going into starting. You want to start it? You can see what I'm doing. We are moving into starting. You see what we are able to achieve? You see, this is by the grace of God, we are able to achieve this design. You can see the design, how it goes. Can you see? Now we go. Definitely, it must close. My egg. My black pepper. Black pepper. Piece of sauce. It's okay. Just small egg. Now bring your bread. Exactly. You see the one I'm putting in? You like it? If you like it, please support my channel, okay? You see, now go back to your, you see my tomato. Use your tomato in it. Mash it very well on the bread. You can see it. Egg. You put your egg. You see the egg. You see your egg? Are you seeing it? Your onions. Your fresh tomato. Onions and others. Can you see it? You can see it with the vegetable. This is the best way to prepare your breakfast. It must be on a low light. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. As you are watched, you are blessed. You can see how I prepare my breakfast this morning. You can see, thank you for joining. You can see, thank you for joining. You are welcome in Jesus' name. You can see, It's very easy and simple. If I can do it, you can do it. It's coming up. That is ready. The breakfast is ready. You want to remove it. Ready. Now on our, you can see. You see? Can you see? Wow, it's really delicious. You see? Thank you for watching. The food is ready. You take it with your tea. You see? Another person coming can cut our own. Everybody will be taking one. So, thank you for joining. As you come, you are blessed in Jesus' name. Thank you.